Good morning students. This video is for class 10 subject science chapter 1st. Chemical reactions and equations. Students, today we will see our last topic, effect of oxidation in our daily life. Students, have you ever observed a green coating on coins or a statue made up of copper? Why does this happen? This happens because the metal undergoes a process called corrosion. Also, have you observed a bad smell emanating from food containing fats or oil? This process is called rancidity. Both these processes are everyday example of oxidation reaction. Let's understand why and how both these processes takes place. First is corrosion. Corrosion means when a metal is exposed to substance such as moisture, air, water, acid, etc. for some time, a layer of oxide is formed which weakens the metal said to be corrode, and this whole process is called corrosion. मीन्स अगर कोई मेटल एयर, वाटर, मॉइस्चर या एसिड के संपर्क में आता है कुछ समय तक, तो इनके सरफेस पर ऑक्साइड का लेयर बन जाता है जो मेटल को वीक कर देता है, और जब ये मेटल को वीक कर देता है तब हम इसे कोरोड कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आयरन गेट्स कोरोडेड टू फॉर्म अ रेड सब्सटेंस कॉल्ड रस्ट. Rust is actually hydrated ferric oxide. It is formed when iron is exposed to oxygen and moisture. Next example is green coating on copper. When copper combined with atmospheric gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen and water, then it forms a compound that is basic copper carbonate, which is green in color. Next example is black coating on silver. Silver is tarnished by sulfur to form a black layer of silver sulfide. Suppose when we use silver utensils like spoon or any other utensils and ornaments, we see after a few days it turn black. तो ये ब्लैक क्यों हो जाते हैं कुछ दिनों के बाद? क्योंकि हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में सल्फ़र प्रेजेंट होता है, जिसके कारण सिल्वर जो है ब्लैक कलर का हो जाता है या फिर ब्लैक कलर का लेयर फॉर्म करता है. सो कोरोजन इज़ द wearing away of metals due to chemical reactions, mainly oxidation. In this process, metals lose their metallic properties. This causes a lot of damage to car bodies, ships, bridges, iron railings, and to all objects made up of iron. Iron is used in a lot of places like the construction of bridges, tools, pipes, heavy machinery, etc. Therefore, corrosion of iron is a very big problem. A lot of money is spent each year to replace damage of iron. Next we see prevention of corrosion. First prevention is use of anti-rust solution, and galvanization prevents rusting. Galvanization means coating the iron surface with zinc. It prevents the surface of iron articles to come in contact with oxygen and moisture, so it prevents corrosion from taking place. Next, methods like electroplating and tinning also provide temporary protection. Electroplating means it is the process of plating one metal into another by hydrolysis, most commonly for decorative purposes or to prevent corrosion of a metal. Tinning means tinning is coating tin over iron or steel articles. They provide temporary protection. Some other preventive measures are painting the metal surfaces, powder coating the surfaces, oiling the metal surfaces. These are the different ways that we can prevent corrosion from taking place. Next phenomena is rancidity. Students, we know that with time milk goes bad and it tastes horrible. Also, food items when kept exposed to the atmosphere for some time starts smell bad. The taste changes and they become unhealthy for consumption. This is because the oil and fats are oxidized and they turn rancid. So rancidity is oxidation of oily and fatty food substances to give bad taste and smell when exposed to air. Food turns rancid when the fats and oils within them get oxidized and the taste and smell of the food changes. Oxidation of fats generates highly reactive molecules in the rancid food, which is responsible for the unpleasant odor and flavor. These chemical reactions also reduce the nutrition of the food. Some studies show that rancid food can have harmful health effects if consumed. We can stop rancidity by slowing down the oxidation effect. First, by refrigeration is a great way for increasing the longevity of food. Second preventive method is antioxidants. Antioxidants prevent oxidation and in turn prevents rancidity. Next method is replacing oxygen in the containers with another gas. For example, to prevent chips from turning rancid, chips manufacturers flush the bags with nitrogen gas. Next method is storing food in airtight containers to slow the process of rancidification. So these are the preventive measures of rancidity. So I hope you understood about this topic, what is corrosion and what is rancidity. So student, here we finish our first chapter, chemical reactions and equations. Now come on today's homework. Question first, what is corrosion? Question second, how can we prevent corrosion? Question third, define rancidity with example. Students, you have to do it. Okay, thank you.